How to fix Google Home app not showing your camera. So the first thing you can do is to open up your Google Home, something like this, and then you tap on your profile icon. So from this, you're gonna make sure you are using the same Google account used to set up the camera. You can also check the home name at the top because the camera may be inside another home or room. The next thing you can do is to restart the camera. For wired or plug-in Nest cameras, you can unplug the power adapter, wait for around 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Google does say it should reconnect and come back online in the app within a few minutes. The next thing you can do or try is to force close the Google Home app. So go ahead to your Google Home and close it, or you could also go ahead into your device settings, go ahead into your apps. Then from here, you're gonna search for your Google Home. So just go ahead and look for the Home app, or you can search for it actually. Go to your Home app and then go ahead and press and force stop, press an OK, and then reopen it. You can also make sure it's at the latest version, so you can go ahead to your Play Store and search for the Home app, Google Home, and then take a look if there are any update options. If not, then you're most likely in the latest version. And if it still doesn't show, you can remove and re-add the camera. So Google Home, go to your specific camera, go to its settings, and just remove the device. Then you can just re-add it by going back to your home page, pressing on the plus button over here, and then go to your device. Then pretty much how you connected it in the first place. But those are a few options you can try if your Google Home is not showing your camera. So hopefully this video helps you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.